Now let's talk about the second side hustle that has been getting a lot of attention lately, which is selling AI stock images using Midjourney. So basically, you upload your AI-generated images on a website called Adobe Stock, and when someone downloads your image, you earn royalties. To start, head to stock.adobe.com and scroll all the way to the bottom and click on where it says Sell Images. After that, click on Join Now and sign up for a free account. Once you're in, your dashboard should look similar to this. And if you click on Insight on the top menu, you'll see the recent top sellers. You can change the time period and choose between photos, illustrations, and vectors. By looking at the images, you'll start to get an idea of what people are actually using on Adobe Stock and what kinds of images are doing well. So you can click through the best-selling images and then do similar stuff. You'll also notice that many of these images are actually generated with AI. And if you scroll down, you can see the keywords they've used as well as other information that will be useful when you publish your own images later on. So let's say you want to create something similar to this image. The first thing to do is look at the description and keywords, as this information will help you write the prompt and generate a similar image in Midjourney. For example, this image is about a white rabbit wearing trendy sunglasses. So simply copy that and head to Midjourney. Start the Imagine prompt and paste the description, and make sure the aspect ratio is 3:2 so you can generate a wide image. Once the image is generated, save it to your device. But you're not done yet because you'll need to enlarge the image even more to get accepted in Adobe Stock, as the images generated in Midjourney are not large enough. There are many tools out there to upscale images, and you can use the one you prefer. But as you probably know, I personally like to use AI Image Upscaler. So you basically upload the image and choose how many times you want to make it bigger. And since we want the highest quality possible, we can select the highest option. After that, wait till it finishes upscaling and you'll notice a big difference in the quality if you zoom in. And now, you can move on to the final step, which is publishing on Adobe Stock. To do that, click on Upload here at the top, and then you can either drag and drop your images or click on Browse. Once it's uploaded, you'll need to fill in some info about the image. Starting with the file type, you can choose between illustrations and photos. In my case, it's an illustration, so I'll choose that. Then choose the category your image belongs to. Then you have to check this box that says this image was made with AI. Also, be sure to read the requirements so you know what you can and can't do. After that comes the title and keywords. Here, you need to ensure that you're using the right keywords to help your image appear. The best thing you can do is look at similar images and see what they're using regarding the title and keywords, but please don't copy them word for word. You can click here on Keyword Suggestion and Adobe will automatically give you related keywords. Once you're done, click Submit and your image will be reviewed, and it usually takes 3 to 4 days. So now all you have to do is repeat the process and upload as many images as possible every day. And as always, the more you upload, the faster you will see results. I hope you've enjoyed watching the video. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. And also, let me know what type of videos you want me to upload on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.